Casita de la Luz, de Luz. And we are in Panajachel. This is our first actual Airbnb since we arrived here in Guatemala. And it is amazing. It has doggies and amazing bamboo. This place is just beautiful.
Yeah. So today we're going to explore Panajachel and Lake Atitlán.
Yeah.
We're gonna fly the drone a little bit too.
This bamboo is just stunning.
Yeah. I love it.
Let's show them the Kanakan.
This is a little ping pong table they have here. Oh, hi, doggy.
Inversion tape. And Kanakan.
Oh,
Yeah.
I love this little temazcal.
Yeah.
We're gonna use this tonight. Right now.
I think so. I think it's the perfect time for it. And you said something about it.
Hi, baby, yes. Oh, hello, baby, yes. This is the Airbnb. Let's see if we can find some fauna. Well, there's one here. It's a little cucarachita. Hey, buddy. This is true. Hi. It's saying hi. This is the way.
This is the way?
Una Guatemala diferente. This is a school where yesterday they were having an assembly about rural land sectioning or something like that. You could hear it all the way to the Airbnb. We're going to downtown Panajachel, next to the shore. This is what it looks like. Look, Lau, that's one of the first volcanoes we're seeing
wow.
today. There's a lot of stray dogs in Panajachel. This is the typical breakfast we had the other day. These are some of the prices. So this is a typical breakfast you'll find here. It has a little bit of beans, cheese. This must be spicy, right? The salsa? I don't know, but this one definitely is. We have tortillas. No, it's not?
No es picante.
And we ordered tequila sunrise, but since no one knows exactly what it is, we're getting tequila and orange juice. Yeah. Do not swim here, dangerous area.
Yeah. Because of the boats.
Oh, look, kayaking.
It looks very wet.
Oh, it's church, love.
Oh.
That's church. Just letting you know.
Yeah.
Everything I have, todo lo que tengo, I owe it to him. Se lo debo a él.
That's a sound system.
Yeah.
Whoa.
Oh.
Uh-huh. I do wonder where they're gonna land. That's two people. Yeah, that's two people. Whoa. Or they're doing that on purpose. That's a fun thing to do, to descend. Yeah.
Okay, let's see how much this is. So we're gonna talk about Lake Atitlán, and I just wanted to say that here it says that it's an ancient caldera, so that means a giant volcanic crater that was formed only 85,000 years ago. And there are 3 calderas in this area, and the previous ones were respectively 9 million and 14 million years old. And this is Lake Atitlán, and it has a water volume of 24.4 cubic kilometers. The equivalent of 9,760,000 Olympic pools to fill in.
Right. Ready?
Yeah. Butterflies, love. People are vandalizing the leaves. Insane.
Oh, it's so wobbly.
This one. Let's go. It's dangerous. I almost fall. In the preserve, we do have some trash cans and some bathrooms that look like this. That's nice. And then the visitor center is that way, but we're gonna continue going up, although we have no idea where this takes us. This is nice. The rock. Yeah.
So they do a really cool thing here. They have these water basins, and we have one of these just like this in our Airbnb, and it has a cup inside of it. So the outside you can tell it's been glazed so that it's waterproof, but inside it has like this cup so that when you pour the water in, it filters through it kind of like a coffee strainer and filters the water to make it drinkable.
Mm-hmm. It's a bunch of trash and another big pipe or something.
Oh.
Oh, where's the monkey? It's just spider webs too.
Yeah, I like it. It's sketchy.
Yeah, it's sketchy.
I'll help.
Thank you. Wow. The trash. What was that?
Water. You've been hearing water.
It's just water?
Yeah.
What? Oh god, I got really scared.
It came right at you.
Yeah. Don't touch the butterflies. I love this system that closes the door. Close it and it goes down.
A piece of bamboo full of concrete.
Yeah. This is it. We're going back home.
It was a good hike.
This is Wally when he's tired.
Is this what I look like? Do I have a look?
Pueblos por visitar. Hay Santa Catarina, Palopó y San Antonio, Morocco.
Sí, Nos lo recomendaron.
Hay aguas termales, hay techo cultural, fábrica de chocolate, de café. Luego en San Antonio te lo todo.
Claro.
Son dos pueblos, Santa Catarina, hay 3 miradores donde se ve por la amanecer o la atardecer.